You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words. The top one here is a Greek letter that's commonly used in mathematics, for example. It's a value, calculate the circumference of a circle, for example. And the bottom word is a dish, right? They're both pronounced pie. By the way, if you want to learn more correct pronunciations and more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. So the top word here, spelling P-I, is pronounced pie. It's a Greek letter from the Greek alphabet, pie. The bottom word is also pie, as in a meat pie, a mince pie, an apple pie. Those two words are simply pronounced pie. Pie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.